Tired of chasing teammates to fill in missing fields on Jira issues? Here is how to make any field required in under 2 minutes. We will set up a validation rule in your project's workflow. Follow these steps to enforce required fields on any transition. All right, let us jump in. First, go ahead and open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. Now, from the left side panel, open up the specific project where you want to add this required field. This is usually under your projects list, so just click on it. Once you are inside that project, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see 3 little dots. Click on those. From that drop-down menu, you want to click on Manage Workflow. This opens up the workflow editor for your project. And here is the thing. This is where all the magic happens. At the top of this workflow page, you will see a button that says Add Rule. Click on that. A menu will pop up. You want to click on Validate Details. This is the part where we start telling Jira, hey, you need to check this stuff before moving on. Next, click on Validate a Field. This means we are specifically checking a field to make sure it has what we need. You will then see a Select button. Click on that. Now, you have a choice to make. First, choose Transition. This tells Jira that the validation should happen when someone moves an issue from one status to another, like from To Do to In Progress. Then choose Validate that field. This confirms you want to check the field itself. For our example, we will use the Is Not Empty condition. This is the most common one. It just means the field cannot be blank. If a user tries to move the issue forward without filling it in, Jira will stop them. Now you need to choose 4 fields. This is where you pick which field you want to make required. Click on that and select the field from the list, like priority or due date or whatever you need. Here is the really important part. Input the error message to display if the user does not provide a value during the transition. A default error message will be shown if you do not provide one, but I personally like to write something clear. Something like, please fill in the priority field before moving this issue forward. It saves so much confusion later. Next, click on Validate Fields Excluded by Context. This is a smart little toggle. It makes sure the rule still applies even if the field is hidden in certain project contexts. It prevents people from accidentally bypassing your rule. Once you are happy with everything, click on Add. You will then see your rule listed. Now, to make it live, click on Update Workflow at the top right. Finally, click on Save. And that is it. From now on, whenever someone tries to transition an issue without filling in that field, Jira will stop them and show your custom message. No more back and forth. No more chasing people down. You have automated the quality control on your own projects. And honestly, after setting this up a few times across different workflows, I can tell you it makes a huge difference in data quality from day one. Give it a try.